In the previous standard, we have studied the lithosphere and hydrosphere of the Earth, the proportion of land and water on Earth, and also the major oceans. Note the area of each ocean given in the following table. Let us now study a bit in detail about the contents of the hydrosphere. The topic for today is importance of oceans. The hydrosphere includes all the water bodies that exist on the earth. This covers all the oceans, seas, rivers and their tributaries, lakes, reservoirs, and also groundwater. Of the total global waters, 97.7% is contained in oceans. That means oceans cover a large area of the world as compared to the land, to the continents. Do you know, we always see the living world around us. There is considerable diversity in the living world on land. The living world in the hydrosphere is many times greater than the living world on land, and it has a much greater diversity. Now, here is an experiment that you can try. Take some water in a steel dish. It is better if the water is from a borewell. Keep the water in direct sunlight. Do not remove the dish until all the water gets evaporated. Observe the dish after the water has evaporated completely. What do you see? Taste the substance in the dish. You must have noticed that after the water evaporated completely, a whitish layer is left in the dish. If you taste it, you will find that it is salty. You will realize that these are the salts in the water. In drinking water, the proportion of salts is quite low. Water from oceans and seas has a greater amount of salt. Hence, it tastes salty. Now, you must have visited a beach at least once. You may have observed that the water may seem a bit salty than the regular water that you drink. The reason being that the sea or ocean water is salty, whereas the regular water, drinking water, is filtered, so that's why there is no salty taste.